Hey everyone, this is Ann. I'm at work and I'm just showing you a boat that I'm going to be detailing. This is a before picture, or before video. Look at all the dirt daubers. This boat has set up since 2019 and the gentleman is getting ready to sell it. It's a 2005 Triton. And by the time I'm done with it, it'll look really nice. It just needs just a little bit of TLC. It's been kept in a storage facility, but the dirt daubers have had a field day with it. Once they're done with the mechanical stuff is when I'll do the detail part. And I'll have an after video when I'm done.